Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, Cedar Rapids Tower, turn left heading 250, runway 27, clear for takeoff, wind 040 at Niner.
Left heading 250, clear for takeoff, runway 27, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo. Clear approach.
Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, traffic in the upwind is Cherokee.
Inside. Airspeed alive. Time suppression is good. Positive rate, gear up. Yes, Cherokee.
Central aircraft information, hotel now current, altimeter 3000. Runway 9 is now in use. Cherokee 31 Yankee, overfly the field at midfield, enter a left downwind for runway 9er.
Cross over the top, enter a right downwind runway 9er, 31 Yankee.
Cherokee 31 Yankee, negative, fly over midfield, runway 9er 27, enter left downwind for runway 9er.
Sorry, left downwind, runway 9er 31 Yankee.
Three greens.
Neighbor traffic system,
Landing
Juliet,
checklist.
turning left base.
Gear down and locked.
36 at
Landing lights on. Mixture enriched comes fine. Cloud traffic, Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, left base for runway 36, Cloud. Three greens. Gas, undercarriage. Mixture, prop. Cloud traffic, Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, short final, 36, full stop, Cloud.
Mile and a half to 45, left downwind.
Neighbor traffic, 2 Charlie Juliet, turning final, 36, Neighbor.
Gas, three greens. One flagging us in.
Bonanza, turn left, correction, turn right on the taxiway and proceed south.
Alright, right turn and south, Bonanza.
So the plan is we're going to park you on the far south. There's a couple of tie-down areas down there. We're going to park you down there. The golf cart is ahead of you to follow.
I see the golf cart, I'll follow it, Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, thank you. After landing, lights back to beacon, trim 3 up, car flaps open, flaps up.
JWA airplane allowed to park in front of the JWA building.
JWA aircraft can park there, yes.
Another plane coming in.
Yep.
Cloud traffic 4 cruiser 906 here Charlie is 3 miles to the south, inbound to land. Clow.
Cloud traffic 7741 Bravo, about 4 miles southeast, inbound for landing, runway 36 Cloud.
Cloud traffic, Bonanza, 0 Tango Bravo, taxiing to runway 36 for departure, Cloud.
Cloud traffic, Metro 20 Mike, departing 36 westbound.
Yep.
That's where all the parties are.
Oh yeah. Okay, he's turning the same direction that we're going. He's going westbound also. I see his transponder now.
Okay, I see him.
No other traffic. The pattern. Cloud traffic, Bonanza, 0 Tango Bravo, departing runway 36, leaving to the west, Cloud. Clear approach. Go runway. Gas be alive. Temperature, pressure, okay. Positive rate, gear up.
All traffic inbound for Clow. All traffic inbound for Clow. There's no parking available for GA traffic due to an event. Just wanted to make you aware.
Yeah, for data.
Oh yeah.